video, we're gonna tour you this $1.2 million home here in Horseshoe Bay to show you how you can live like the best at half the cost. Hey Don.
Alex.
You have another cool property for us?
Absolutely.
Always supplying us with the best properties to tour. All right, come on in. Cool. So first thing, these doors are beautiful.
Yes, great observation. Westbank thinks that the door is really the first impression. So they really like to use thicker doors that are a lot wider.
Yeah. That's one thing I love about Westbank. Like they have a lot of design. Like each developer has their own unique thing. Coming in here, okay, $1.2 million. This is so affordable.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that would be the same pricing as 2 bedrooms in Metrotown, Brentwood.
Right.
Coquitlam.
But here you get like private waterfront living.
Absolutely.
Let's take a look over here. This is crazy. When did this finish building?
This building was completed around 2022. So it's been 3 years and the clients have been living here and enjoying the property for the last 3 years.
Beautiful. So we have 2 bedrooms?
Correct. You are walking into the master bedroom.
One question I'm gonna have for you in a bit is why would someone not buy this?
I think the common factor so far was the location.
Right. But that's also the strength of this. Like it's a certain type of buyer.
So again, I'm just gonna go back to that hit or miss.
Yeah.
You either love the neighborhood or it's just not gonna work for you.
So in here, toilets, floating toilet by the way.
Yeah, floating toilet.
Yeah.
And then we have the rainfall shower there, and then there's also a tub behind the door. And then obviously the walk-in closet is a great size.
Coming over here is our second bedroom.
The second bedroom was where the kids were staying. This would be the powder room for any guests.
Right.
Or whoever is staying in this bedroom here.
This is a good size too.
Yep.
The thing is like, he gets views everywhere here.
Yes. So the size of the window is fantastic.
Yeah. So one thing I know about people here, a lot of people who are wealthy actually have these waterfront, but they're homes, properties. And they cost around like 20 million plus, 10, 30 million.
We've had great feedback with the view that we've had here.
Yeah.
With how we're situated, you see mountains, you see the boats outside, which is fantastic. And you have a peekaboo view of the water over that direction as well.
Wow. Look at that dog. If I didn't have to travel for work, for $1.2 million, I don't know, this still seems like a no-brainer for me.
Fantastic.
With no amenities.
Yeah.
Because there's not many options like this, right?
Yeah.
You have to go here or North Van. But yeah, this is amazing. Okay, so down here is like the lobby area.
Yes. Alex, you've been to Kengokuma.
Yes.
Right? So this is very Kengokuma inspired.
Yes, I remember in the penthouse unit we went to.
We have our lobby here.
Very calm space. And I love how like quiet it is everywhere. I also love the entrances of all these units. It feels like a home.
It definitely feels like a retreat when you're here.
So I wonder what's back here actually. Don, do you know? It says private property over here.
Yeah, so this lot or this chunk of land was purchased by the city.
City buys land?
Yeah, cities purchase land to redevelop. Because everything is owned by somebody at some point.
So one thing that's going to be important for me is what commercial businesses are coming in here. Like if it's gyms, great.
Yeah.
If it's like, I hope they're all useful. I hope they're not like brokers and stuff, you know?
Oh yeah, for sure. The first part of your amenities. So you can actually rent out a kayak.
Rent a kayak.
Yes. If you want to take one out with your family or friends or when you have guests over, you just let the concierge know and they will allow you to.
This is crazy. What a concept.
Yeah, like if I was married, my in-laws come, I'm putting them on that boat.
Yeah.
I'm taking them to Vancouver Island. The pilot is going to, or the driver is going to wait until you're done and they'll take you back home.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Good job, Westbank. So the similar units, but with unobstructed views, how much would that cost?
So those would be in the oceanfront view building that we were just by. And the 3 bedrooms are asking for around 2.2.
Okay, so what is the 2 beds? That'd be similar to the one we just saw.
So there is a 2-bedroom that is slightly smaller. So we are 1,450, they were 1,300.
Okay.
And they were asking for 1.7 before GST.
Okay, so yeah, it's reasonable. This area is so great, but it says keep dogs off grass. But here it's a dog potty area.
Yeah, so it's pretty challenging. Like, I mean,
so what does that mean?
Pass by.
The dog poos on the rocks?
Yeah.
I've never seen a dog poo on rocks.
I mean, occasionally when I'm walking by, I did see some droppings, but you're supposed to clean it up.
But that's kind of gross.
Just because they probably made a lot of divots. And then
dogs make divots?
Like if they keep digging, then it's just more maintenance that you have to pay for. Yeah.
This is very different. Like, it's like the 3 sections are very different from the coast, more to the interior. It's like a different vibe.
Yes.
I don't know which I would like. Are those townhomes?
So yes, everything on this level here are 2-level towns.
Does it ever make sense to purchase more of these inside homes if you want to live here?
Because if view is not important, and if you still like the neighborhood, the multi-level townhouses
Is the view not important for some people?
for some people is more about the actual layout in this neighborhood. And it's not like they can't access it. It's just when you're home, they just want a bigger space. So we're gonna be going into the gym here.
Gym? Let's check these out.
Yeah, so I think
35.
one of the main highlights with the gym is I always check the brand of what equipment they're using. Techno Gym is supposed to be one of the best out there.
Okay.
So you're using some really, really good machines for your workout.
But this is more still for like cardio people. I guess it depends on demographic. Like these machines these are not enough weights for me. There's no squat racks. You know?
Yeah, so what I tell my buyers is, you know if it's a good gym, if it has a proper squatting rack and a bench.
But wouldn't that also indicate that it's probably younger demographic?
Not necessarily younger demographic. It's just so pros and cons. If you do see a bench and a squatting rack, you'll see more people at the gym.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Wow, I love this lobby. Lounge area over here. But what I don't love is still that stone if you come over here. Beautiful entrance here. But yeah, the stone. Look at that dog, just chilling. Look at the sun coming out now. So this is what you can expect more of when it's summertime. This is amazing. So this is the boathouse. Look at this design, amazing. Sanctuary. So this is supposed to be like the entertainment space.
Yes.
Right, you entertain here and then you take the boat out. So does this cost?
No, there's hardly anyone in here. This is normally where the speedboat would be parked during when it's in season.
Yeah. What the?
This is also a great place. So there's a pool table here, sectional for you to just relax if you want to go watch any hockey games or movie night.
I don't know why you didn't mention touring me here earlier. Why did I have to ask to be toured of this place? This is so amazing.
You know what? Most people that walk by, they think that this is a restaurant.
Okay.
So they don't even think about it. I always try to show the boathouse last because it definitely leaves a lasting impression, right?
I mean, how long are you allowed to chill here? Like, I would just come here and chill.
It's just half days, I believe.
Half days, yeah.
Yeah, so you just let them know.
But there's no limit. You could come here every day if no one's booked it.
Yeah, just let the concierge know.
If no one's using it, just walk the concierge is open. And then you can come here and just watch TV.
Watch TV, get some documents done if you need to. It's just, great place for you to hang out.
This is insane.
Yeah.
We pretty much got the full tour. Is this how the top 1% live? I would say this is a top 1% lifestyle.
Yeah.
And for 1.2 million.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Great
Yeah,
value.
there you go. Don, everyone, ladies and gentlemen.